Hello and welcome to Bitesize Electric, the podcast where we break down the biggest challenges and best practices shaping the future of electric networks, one bite at a time.
We're on our fourth and final episode on our series about transmission asset inspections. Today, I'm joined again by Aloïs Brunel, VP of Product Management for AI at IQGeo, to talk about the future of asset inspections. Aloïs, welcome back.
Thanks, Jeff.
In the last episode, we talked about how AI photo analysis can guide the teams who manage the inspection process. Maybe you can start today's discussion with how you see the process evolving from guidance into something even more automated.
What we're seeing now is a shift from AI as a tool to AI as an agent, something that can take initiative, not just provide insights. So imagine an AI that continuously monitors incoming data, field data, satellite imagery, or inspection photos, and automatically spots where new work orders should be created before a human even looks at it. So it's like giving every utility a proactive digital coworker who never sleeps and is always scanning for risks or anomalies.
Fascinating. What kinds of data could these AI agents use to make those proactive inspections possible?
We already talked about photos from the field from past inspections or other work orders, but we're already starting to also analyze satellites, street view, and LiDAR imagery from leading platforms like Google, for instance. And from there, the AI can automatically detect and classify poles, identify new structures, and even compare them over time to detect changes. Think about vegetation encroachment, leaning poles. And this speeds up planning, reduces site visits, and creates a more complete picture of the network, all before the first truck rolls out.
Wow, the future sounds great. Aloïs, you mentioned Google. Can you talk a little bit about the future and how we may be able to leverage Google?
At the moment, we're partnering with the Google team to leverage their imagery insights product. So what it gives us is the ability to instantly analyze every single street view image in a given area and detect all the poles and their positions, but also analyze what's on these poles and even going as far as measuring where are all the attachments and different equipments on the pole. And in the future, we're going to be able to not only use the street view images themselves, but also the LiDAR data, which enables a very precise measurement.
Wow, thanks, Aloïs. That's an exciting future for the inspection process. That is our final episode about transmission inspections. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you soon on Bitesize Electric.